对不起，我刚刚听你说中文，但是你的口音有点奇怪。你是中国人吗？
不是，我是华人。
华人？那是什么国家？
你不明白，华人他就是像中国人一样，但是他不住在中国。
啊，那你自己住在哪儿？
我来自马来西亚。
你们那边的华人多吗？
是的，很多，大概有1/4是华人。
除了马来西亚以外，还有其他的国家有华人吗？
有啊，很多，亚洲，美洲、欧洲、非洲，到处都有。
哇塞，我怎么不知道了？
大部分都是在国外出生的，但是现在也有很多的中国人都搬家到国外发展。
啊，明白了，谢谢你，打扰你了。
没事，祝你愉快。
再见。
再见。
Hi there, and welcome to this new lesson, Chinese for Beginners. My name is Oliver. In order to understand this lesson, you must have studied all my previous lessons. You can find them on the website chinesewitholiver.com. 对不起，我刚刚听你说中文，但是你的口音有点奇怪。你是中国人吗？
不是。
First I say 对不起, excuse me. And then I say 我刚刚听你说中文. I 刚刚 hear you speak Chinese. 刚刚, that means just now, a very short while ago. I say 但是你的口音有点奇怪. 但是 your 口音 a little bit strange. 但是 that means but. And 口音 that means accent. I ask 你是中国人吗? Are you Chinese? 你是中国人吗？
不是，我是华人。
华人？那是什么国家？
你不明。
She replies 不是，我是华人。No, I am a 华人。A 华人, that is an ethnic Chinese. In the last few centuries, many Chinese have left China and settled in other countries. Many of these people are born and raised outside of China, yet their face is Chinese and they speak Chinese. So they are ethnically Chinese, but not officially Chinese. These people are called Huaren. Of course, you could also call real Chinese citizens Huaren, but they prefer to be called Chinese. Here you see the character for Hua, which means magnificent, splendid. This word refers to the homeland, China. Zhonghua. This is another name for China, Zhongguo. This name, Zhonghua, is only used in a very formal context. For example, look at this Chinese passport. The first two characters are Zhonghua, which means China. It doesn't say 中国. I reply, Huaren, 那是什么国家? That is what 国家. A 国家 is a country.
你不明白，华人他就是像中国人一样，但是他不住在中国。
First he says, 你不明白华人, you don't understand 华人. She says, 他就是像中国人一样. He is 像 Chinese person the same. 像, that means as if, like, resembling. She says, 但是他不住在中国, but he not 住 in China. 住 means to live somewhere, followed by a location. It doesn't mean to live in the sense of to exist. 那你自己住在哪儿？
我来自马来西亚。
I ask her, 那你自己住在哪儿？ Well, you 自己 live where? 自己 that means oneself. So 我自己 that is I myself. Or 你自己 you yourself. She replies, 我来自马来西亚 I come from Malaysia. Look at these 4 characters. You already know 3 of them. Ma is horse, lai is come, she is west, and ya, well, you will learn that character in a minute or 2. If you can't wait, it means Asia.
你们那边的华人多吗？
是的，很多，大概有1/4是华人。
I ask her, 你们那边的华人多吗? You over there, 华人, many? She says, 是的，很多. Yes, very many. She says, 大概有1/4是华人. 大概 there is 1/4 that was 1/4 are 华人. 大概 that is approximately, about.
除了马来西亚以外，还有其他的国家有华人吗？
有啊，很多。
First, I say 除了马来西亚以外。除了 something 以外 that means except something or besides something. I ask, 还有其他的国家有华人吗? Still, there are 其他的 countries have 华人. 其他的 that means other. She replies, 有啊，很多. Yes, very many.
亚洲、美洲、欧洲、非洲，到处都有。
哇塞，我怎么不知道了？
First she says, 亚洲, Asia continent. In English, just Asia. The first character, 亚, is the same character as the last one in Malaysia. Then she says, 美洲, America continent. This is the entire American continent, so North, Middle and South America. As you know, 美国, the American country, that is the USA. Then she says, 欧洲, Europe continent, or just Europe. And finally, 非洲, Africa continent, or just Africa. She says, 到处都有, everywhere there are. I reply, 哇塞，我怎么不知道了? Wow, how didn't know.
大部分都是在国外出生的，但是现在也有很多的中国人都搬家到国外发展。
She says, 大部分都是在国外出生的。大部分 that means the majority. 国外 or country out, that means abroad. 出生 that is to be born. She says, 但是现在也有很多的中国人。But now also there are very many Chinese people. 都搬家到国外发展。搬家 that means to move house. 到 that is to some place. 发展 that means to develop, to grow. In this context, it means to make a living.
明白了，谢谢你，打扰你了。
没事，祝你愉快。
再见。
再见。
I say, 明白了, I understood. 谢谢你, thank you. And then, 打扰你了. 打扰, that means to bother. 打扰你了 literally means I bothered you. In English we would say, sorry that I've bothered you. This is a very nice and polite way to end this kind of conversation. She replies, 没事，祝你愉快. It's nothing. I wish you 愉快. 愉快 means happy. So, 祝你愉快 means I wish you happy. In English, enjoy yourself. Have a nice time. Finally, we both say 再见. Again, see. Now, I want to explain to you what I call alternative pronunciation. Up till now, all the Chinese people in my lessons spoke Mandarin with little or no accent. But this time I speak with a lady from Malaysia. She is a Huaren. Many Huaren that were born and raised outside of China will have a similar accent like she has. This way you can easily hear if someone is a Huaren. The accent can be noticed, especially in these 4 sounds. CH, which in official Mandarin is pronounced as ch, will be pronounced as a sharp C, so c, c, c. SH, normally sh, will be pronounced as a sharp S, so s, s, s. ZH, normally j, will be pronounced as a sharp Z, so z, z, z. And finally, the X, which is normally pronounced the same as SH, so sh, will also be pronounced as a sharp S, so s, s, s. I will give you some examples from the dialogue that you just saw. First, CH, ch, becomes a sharp C, c, c. Instead of 吃饭, which means to eat, you will hear 吃饭.
下就有老地方见，吃饭吧，拜拜。
到处, which means everywhere, becomes 到处.
非洲到处都有。
哇塞，我怎么
Now SH, normally sh, becomes a sharp S, so s, s. 是的, which means yes, becomes 是的.
多吗？
是的，很多。
没事, which means it's nothing, becomes 没事.
打扰你了。
没事，祝你愉快。
Now ZH, normally j, becomes a sharp Z, z. Ojo, which means Europe, becomes Ozo.
美洲、欧洲、非洲。
发展, which means to develop, becomes 发展.
都搬家到国外发展。
啊，明白。
And finally, the X, normally pronounced the same way as SH, sh, also becomes a sharp S, s. Malaysia, the third character is she, but it will sound like C, Malaysia.
我来自马来西亚。
你们
Right, now I will show you the dialogue once more, but this time without subtitles.
那好吧，那等一下就有老地方见，吃饭吧，拜拜。
对不起，我刚刚听你说中文，但是你的口音有点奇怪。你是中国人吗？
不是，我是华人。
华人？那是什么国家？
你不明白，华人他就是像中国人一样，但是他不住在中国。
啊，那你自己住在哪儿？
我来自马来西亚。
你们那边的华人多吗？
是的，很多，大概有1/4是华人。
除了马来西亚以外，还有其他的国家有华人吗？
有啊，很多，亚洲，美洲、欧洲、非洲，到处都有。
哇塞，我怎么不知道了？
大部分都是在国外出生的，但是现在也有很多的中国人都搬家到国外发展。
啊，明白了，谢谢你，打扰你了。
没事， 顺利愉快，
再见。
再见。
You can find all my lessons on the website ChineseWithOliver.com.